nice and loud into the mic and graph those points. All right, Sarah, let me bring you the mic. And just talk us through what you're doing while you're graphing, okay? Thank you.
And so J is negative 3, 4. So negative 3, 4. And that's J. And then K is negative 1, 4. And L is negative 1, 2. And M negative 4, 2.
Perfect. Okay. All right, let's call on somebody. Does anybody mind following the directions? So now, do you mind coming to the board? Guys, what's the angle on this one? 90 degrees. What's the direction? Clockwise. So you've got to be able to rotate at 90 degrees clockwise. However, about what? About L. So what does that tell us about L? Is L going to move? No. Yay, L stays the same, so we can at least get 1 point right. All right, let's see. Sarah, will you call on someone to rotate this 90 degrees clockwise about L? All right, Dylan, come on up. Make sure you talk nicely on the mic. Talk us through what you're doing. Good luck. Oh my gosh, good job, Dylan. That was kind of tricky because it's on top of yourself, but how many of you agree he totally rotated in the right direction? Dylan, call on someone to name those 4 new points. Can you handle that? Does that give him this so they can get to it? Okay, good job, Dylan. So nicely done. How many got the exact same 4 coordinates? Good job, I'm impressed. How many of you, I can handle that. On the quiz, would you be okay? Don't forget, on the quiz, do we graph the pictures? Oh my gosh, that was so confusing. Do we grade the pictures? No, we're looking for the coordinates, right? So don't forget to do the coordinates. Summer question?
On J, it's on the graph it's 1, 4, not 2, 4.
Thank you for catching that, Summer. Summer said J on our new image should be 1, 4, not 2, 4. Thumbs up. How many agree, Summer? Good catch, Summer. Anything else you want to tweak? Okay, we only have 3 more questions to review, and they'll go really fast. Are you ready? Don't blink. Okay, these ones, they should look familiar. Make sure you read the directions, because the directions will tell you from one shape to the next shape. So this one, is it blue to red or red to blue? Let's see, it says tell whether the blue figure is a rotation of the red figure. I'm kind of thinking it's red to blue. Start with red, how do you get to blue? Okay, but it's asking, is it a, what's our keyword? Our vocab word, this one is, it's just asking for a rotation. So we can put yes or no. But it has to be a rotation about what? Origin. shout out the coordinate for the origin. What is it?
0, 0.
Yay, it's totally 0, 0. So it may be a rotation, but you have to make sure it's rotating about 0, 0. And then if it is, we have to say the angle and the direction. Okay, this one. Do you think yes or no?
No.
No? Are you positive?
Yes.
Could we rotate it maybe and get back to the blue? Are you sure?
Yeah.
However, the tricky thing is it rotating about this point? No. All right, so we can just put a no on this one. So on the quiz today, if it's not rotating, just put a no. All right, this one going from red to blue, is it rotating?
Yes.
Okay, so this is yes. Now we've got to say an angle and a direction. Does anybody know what angle it's going? Okay, let's think about it just for a second. Whisper to your neighbor, tell them the angle. Tell me nice and loud, what is it? Good work. All right, so from red to blue, that's a 90-degree rotation. However, now we got to do direction. It's either counterclockwise or clockwise. Think about it. You can look on the clock if you're like, wait, which way? Tell a neighbor. Tell me, what is it? All right, counterclockwise. Pretty sure it's one word. One long, giant word. Counterclockwise. How many of you? I get that one. The air one, you good? Okay, what about the heart? The heart, do we think yes or no with the rotation? Okay, yes. We're going from red to blue. We've got to decide the angle first. Tell a neighbor. Are you sure? Okay, so you're saying 180 degrees for the heart. Okay, think about this one. What's the direction then? If that's the angle, what's the direction? Dayton, thanks for raising your hand. What do you think? It could be both. Counterclockwise or clockwise? Let's check it. So if I go from here, I would go, what's the angle if I just stopped here? 90, and then that would be 180, so that's counter. All right, right here to here, what's the angle? To there. So I totally agree with counter or clockwise on this one. Okay.